What's up, you guys? My name is Asia Julice, and today I'm going to be giving some ideas for Father's Day gifts. I made 3 baskets for all the men in my life: my brother, my father, and my partner and my child's father. So here we go. You can see some ideas for just one gift or do a basket like I did. So first I'm starting with my brother's basket. He's been really into working out lately, so I made it a workout theme. Like you can see, this is a vibrating muscle roller, so this is for recovery after you've been lifting heavy. I also thought it would be a cool idea to give him a kind of like a smoothie pack. I have a smoothie that's one of my favorites. It's a chocolate protein smoothie. It's really good. So I'm going to be putting in all of the not fresh ingredients so that he can make the smoothie for himself. Every time I make baskets, I always make sure to have some filler on hand. The filler that I'm using is just like a roll of brown paper. It's from the dollar store. So I stuffed that in so that the ingredients could sit up and just look nice. I try to keep with a blue theme. I really do use the Garden of Life brand of protein, but it has like the blue emblem. I like the Almond Breeze, how it's blue. I added in a jump rope and I made sure to get blue handles. Dude wipes, which is the wipes that I just add in. They're just like really sensitive, unscented wipes, so he could keep them in the car or in his gym bag to freshen up. Of course, they're called dude wipes, so they're like a little bit more cool for dudes to have. And I'm just removing the price tag off of the almond milk. And I gave him a card. I wrote the recipe for the smoothie on the card. The next basket I'm making is for my boyfriend, partner, whatever you want to call it. I gave him some Crocs. I had some Crocs with Jibbitz, and he kept saying that he wanted some, and he thinks the Jibbitz are cool, so I decorated them for him. And I'm just filling in the the basket. I got these socks from Amazon. It just says, "This guy is one awesome dad." And I got some products for his beard. So this is Shea Moisture Beard Wash and Beard Detangler. And I got a wooden comb. So I'm just making those all sit up on top of that filler paper. And I got a apron. It actually goes around your neck and then attaches to the mirror to catch beard hair when you're cutting your beard. I also printed some copies of some pictures of him and our son because, we always have pictures on the phone, but we don't really have too many printed pictures, so I wanted to make sure he had some. And I just snuck them on the side because clearly the CVS envelope isn't that cute. And I also got him a bottle of Prosecco because it is his first Father's Day. It's definitely a celebration. Our baby is just 3 months old, so he needs to pop that. And then I took a picture of the baby and put it in a frame in the basket. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Asia Julice. I'm definitely going to be posting that picture so you'll be able to see how cute he is. Next, I am making my father's basket. My father's basket didn't really have a theme. He's just a great dad. So this hammer is Inscribed. It says, "Thank you for helping me build my life." My father's a general contractor, so it's a good gift for him. And he's a first-time granddad, so I had to get him a granddad shirt. The shirt just has the definition of granddad. Cooler than grandpa. He looks like a young granddad, so this is a perfect shirt for him. And I'm just rolling it up so that you can see granddad once I placed it in the basket. And he's also on kind of like a healthy eating journey. He's been doing like mostly plant-based and some vegan. So I got him vegan snacks. I got them from a store in Quincy, Massachusetts called Good Health. And I got him some Bobos. I actually love those, and they're vegan as well. I also got him some teriyaki seaweed. We'll see how he likes those. And I framed a picture of him and Brown as well. Oh, my baby's name is Brown. I I also had got some Birkenstock slides because he is going on vacation soon, and I wanted to make sure he had some like cooling but supportive sandals to wear. And I forgot I got them, so that's why I'm adding them in at the last minute. But yeah, so I have the Birkenstocks in there, and I'm just like placing the picture so it can be seen once I have the baskets out. And that's really it. So I have my first time Grandad basket, my workout themed basket for my brother, and then my first time daddy basket for my partner. I hope you guys got some ideas, and happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.